Here's my little pot of flowers that I have on my front step. Those little green things in there are glow-in-the-dark stones. I believe I got them at Dollarama. We had a really good rain last night and a thunderstorm yesterday. That was Sunday. And these flowers just loved it. Here's another little fairy garden. Very simple. Couple of signs. This one says welcome. There's a fairy over there, a little lamp post behind her, and some glow-in-the-dark rocks again. It's just in a basket. I have a plastic bag in there. I have rocks in the bottom for drainage. And up on the handle is a little birdie. Yep, so that's going out in my yard. There's my heavy-duty glue gun. Another fairy garden done. Now I made this scene here with the hill and the house and the bench and the waterfall, little fence. I made that before. And down below here where I put these plants, I had water, fake water. So what I've done is put soil in there and put some of my succulents in there. There's the glow-in-dark stones again. Yeah, so that's another fairy garden done. And here is another fairy garden. This was actually a working waterfall that I had made last year, and I didn't fill the thing with water every day, and I burnt out the pump. So I ordered another one from AliExpress in January, and it still hasn't come. So this part down here where the succulent is, I had one of those seals. See the baby seal? There's a baby seal there too, in the middle. So I had one of those seals down there in fake water. I mean real water. This time it was real water. So since I didn't get my pump, I decided, okay, I'll just make this into a fairy garden. So there's my succulent in the bottom. Glow-in-the-dark rocks. There's a fairy. And let's take a look at this one from the side. And from the other side. Sorry, try not to go too fast. So there it is. It's my heavy-duty glue gun. Okay, so there we go. So here are all my fairy gardens out here. But I'm going to be planting flowers as well.